Hey, what's up, my 3D printing family? It's Mark with Upper A's Complete, and there it is, the Comgrow refurbished Creality CRX, and I am jazzed over this machine. I tore it out of the box because there is no way with a base that size to judge what this was going to be while it was in the box. So I am really blown away. I was expecting a mildly used machine, not a new machine. And you tell me, has any filament ever run through this anywhere? I can't find any evidence that this was even slid across the gantry. The wheels are completely unmarked. The eccentric nuts haven't even been adjusted. The power cord is still wrapped up as it would be. The USB cord, the tools, the screws, everything is here as it would be with a new printer, including the instruction manual. Two things let me know that this was at least used as a demo, and I'm assuming it sat on a shelf in a store maybe, because right here you can see that at least the base was put on. And the only other thing is the plastic is not on top of the glass bed, so I don't get the bed peel. I love that. I mean, I pay an extra, couple dollars just to peel that plastic off. I love that. But I'm going to put this machine together in what's probably going to take me all of 20 minutes, as it's a lot more simple than I thought. And I will come back live. We will power this up together and see what we're really looking at.